Good morning, Junior 2. How are you today? In the last lesson, we chose city to talk about. We chose Luxor and we talked about places we can visit there. In this lesson, we are going to make a radio commercial about Luxor to make people want to go there and visit it. Okay, but first let's read this story or this commercial that Hussam made to make people want to visit Hurghada. Okay, Hussam. Hello everyone, this is Hussam. I'm here in Hurghada with my friends Noor and Samir. Noor, hi out there in Radio Land. Hussam, Noor, where is Samir? Samir, gurgling sound. Sorry, Hussam, I was underwater looking at the coral. Can I go back down? Hussam, Samir, we are on the radio. Our friends are listening now. Samir, sorry, hi everyone. You should be here in Hurghada with us. We are having so much fun. Noor, yes, the weather is beautiful here. It's 21 degrees Celsius. The sun feels so good. Hussam, I had fun playing with new friends on the beach. We built a sand pyramid. Samir, can I go back in the water now? Noor, Samir, use your manners. Hussam, it's okay, Noor. Our time is almost over. Everyone out there in Radio Land, come visit Hurghada. You and your family will have fun here. The weather is good, the sea and the fish are beautiful, and I love the food. Samir, yes, come play in Hurghada. First one to the water wins. Goodbye, everyone in Radio Land. Okay, so this is a radio commercial about Hurghada. Okay, first we are going to plan our commercial. Okay, work with your team to create a radio script. Think about and agree on answers to the questions below. What is the name of the city? We said that we chose Luxor. What are the important ideas you want to present? The weather, places we can visit, and our feelings. What is happening in your commercial? Are you in the city or planning to go to the city? We are in the city. What descriptive words should you use to help the audience see what you are doing? Beautiful, fun, and happy. How will you begin and end the script? We will begin with hello everyone, this is Iyad, and we are going to end it with goodbye everyone. How will you work together to write your script? Everyone writes together at the same time. Okay? Now, let's read our commercial, our radio commercial. Write your script. Make certain everyone on your team writes the same words. Hello everyone, this is Iyad. I'm in Luxor with my friends. We are having fun here. The weather is warm. It's 23 degrees Celsius. We enjoyed watching the temples, the beautiful sights in the Banana Island, and we took a ride in the hot air balloon and watched the sights from the sky. Our dear listeners, you should come to visit Luxor. You will be so happy. Goodbye, everyone. So this is our commercial to make people want to visit Luxor. Okay? Now we are going to choose some cities to talk about its weather and sights we can see there, and also the distance from our hometown, which is Alexandria, to these cities. Okay? Listen to each group, present their radio commercials. Use these symbols to record what the weather is like in each city. We have sunny, cloudy, rainy, and windy. Okay, the first city is Aswan. The weather in Aswan is sunny. And the distance from Alexandria to Aswan is 1084 kilometers. The sites we can see there is Aswan High Dam and Abu Simbel Temple. Okay, the second city is Al Fayoum. The weather also is sunny there. The distance between Alexandria and Al Fayoum is 293 kilometers. And the sites we can see there is Wadi Al Rayyan. Okay. The third city is Asyut. The weather is sunny there. The distance from Alexandria to Asyut is 603 kilometers. And we can see there Alexan Basha Palace. Okay. The fourth city is Giza. The weather there is partly cloudy. And the distance from Alexandria to Giza is 222 kilometers. And the sites there are pyramids and sphinx. And as you know before that there are 3 pyramids in Giza. Okay, Khufu, Khafra and Mankara. Now let's turn the page. Alexandria, this is our city. The weather is partly cloudy and there is no distance because we are living here already. The sites here can be Qaitbay Citadel and Bibliotheca Alexandria. Okay, we are going to choose another 3 countries or another 3 cities, sorry. The first city is Cairo. The weather in Cairo is sunny. The distance from Alexandria to Cairo is 218 kilometers. And we can visit the Cairo Tower and Salah ad-Din Castle. Number 2 is Hurghada. The weather is sunny there. And the distance between Alexandria and Hurghada is 678 kilometers. In Hurghada, we can visit Hurghada Grand Aquarium and the Sand City. Okay. The last city is Matruh. The weather there is partly cloudy. And the distance from Alexandria to Matruh is 218 kilometers. And we can see there Cleopatra Beach. Okay. The last one, my hometown. As all of you know that our town is Alexandria. And as we said before that the weather here is partly cloudy. And we can visit Qaitbay Citadel and Bibliotheca Alexandria. There is also El Montaza Palace, Greco-Roman Museum. There is lots of great spaces, great places here in Alexandria you can like. Okay, turn the page. Record the votes for each city. Answer the questions that follow. We are going to make a voting about each city from the previous cities we wrote about. Aswan, Al Fayoum, Asyut, Giza, Alexandria, and Hurghada. And we made a vote. We found that Aswan took 5 votes, Al Fayoum 3, Asyut 1, Giza 4, Alexandria 2, Hurghada 8. So 5 students wants to go to Aswan, 3 wants to go to Al Fayoum, 1 wants to go to Asyut, 4 wants to go to Giza, 2 to Alexandria, and 8 to Hurghada. Okay? Put the 5 cities with the most votes in order from most to least. The most one is Hurghada, then Aswan, Giza, Al Fayoum, and Alexandria. The second question, look at the map on the page. How far away is Giza? Put the 5 cities with the most votes in order from the north to the south. As we took before that there are 4 directions, north, south, east, and west. So we are going to arrange these cities from north to south. Okay, so it will be Alexandria, then Giza, Al-Fayoum, Hurghada, then Aswan. Okay? Okay, Junior 2, now from the previous lesson number 3, we made a weather report. We talked about the sky and the wind, and we took the daytime temperature and the nighttime temperature. Okay, we are going to make a graph for the daytime temperature and the nighttime temperature. First, the daytime temperatures. Use the numbers on the My Weather Report page to graph the daytime temperatures you recorded below on the next page. Graph the nighttime temperature, then answer the questions. This is the daytime temperatures. The first day was 28 degrees Celsius. The second day was 21 degrees Celsius. Day 3 was 18. Day 4 was 19. Day 5 was 21. Day 6, 20. Day 7, 22. Okay? Now let's make the graph for the nighttime temperatures. Day 1 was 17 degrees Celsius. Day 2, 15 degrees Celsius. Day 3, 12. Day 4, 11 degrees Celsius. Day 5, 13. Day 6, 13 also. And day 7 is 12 degrees Celsius. Okay? Let's answer these questions. What is the highest temperature we recorded? The highest temperature was 28 degrees Celsius. And what is the lowest temperature we recorded? It was 11 degrees Celsius. Okay? What is the difference between the highest and lowest temperature? We are going to subtract 11 from 28. So 28 minus 11 equals 17 degrees Celsius. 17 degrees Celsius. Okay? Now let's turn the page. What I learned. In this page, we are going to talk about what we learned from this chapter. Okay? Think about the questions. Write your answers in complete sentences. What is the most important thing you learned about the geography of Egypt? I learned about erosion, and we said that there are two types of erosion: wind erosion and water erosion. Okay. We also learned about directions and distance between two cities. So we learned about erosion, directions, and distance between two cities. Okay, we said that there are 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. And distance between two cities, we measure it by using the scale. Okay, the second question: where have you seen erosion in your city? In my city, Alexandria, we saw the erosion in the beach where water collide with rocks. Okay, so in our city in Alexandria, we saw the erosion in the beach where the water collide with rocks. Okay. Number 3, how does weather affect you every day? The weather affects my choice of clothing and activity. Again, we said before that the weather can affect our choice in clothing, because if the weather is cold, we have to wear heavy clothes. If the weather is sunny, we are going to wear light clothes. Okay? And also our activity. If the weather is sunny, we can go for swimming, but if the weather is rainy or windy, we can't go for swimming. Okay? The last question: what do you have to think about when planning a trip? I have to think about the weather, transportation, and places to visit. So before we plan, or when we plan a trip, the first thing we should think about is the weather. What does the weather look like in the city we are going to? Okay, transportation, how we will go there, Is it by boat? Is it by plane? Is it by train? Okay, and places to visit there. We can search online about the places we can visit in the city we are going to. Thank you, Junior 2. I hope you like these lessons. Bye.